Good morning. This is Farooq Azam, and you are watching OXBRIDGE Talks. Today, I have come with the new video with my new friends, Padma Sri and with Sana. Right? Sana, yes, only Sana. Fine. And dear all, the topic this video we have just for you all, that if you are really interested to learn how to talk, there is need of listening. There are so many video coming on the YouTubes. They'll tell you do this, do that, and all. But doing just to listen, do that, do this, you're not going to learn how to speak. And as we all know, the language of the world, any no matters. If you are interested to listen, there are only two works to do. The first one is to listen, and second one is to speak. If you are listening this video, especially watching and listening this video, I confirm you that in the long run, not suddenly, you are going to be very comfortable and you are going to talk in English very easily. So watch us very carefully. They are going to play the role, especially. I'll give them some positions they'll speak about, and you watch very carefully, listen it, and after the class, in case if you are interested, as you must talk with your relatives, friends, brothers, and all. In case if you get problem to speak, you can feel free to call me with the number you can take from their descriptions, and I'll help you there also. Well, fine. So we are going to start. They are very silent, is standing. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the pressure that you are standing and the recording is going on?
No, sir.
I can understand. The girls are not like the past who used to afraid of. The girls of today are very strong.
Right.
And they are being better now in study than the boys. I'm sorry guys, I'm talking. Nowadays, girls are doing better. When you find the result everywhere almost, girls are being more toppers actually. So you are not nervous.
No, sir.
You are
Why
strong.
I am
Why should you be nervous actually? I'm so sorry that I underestimate you that you are nervous. Padma Sri, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling well, sir.
Well, and I would expect that you speak loudly also, that the mic should catch the sound especially. But I got very good topic dear all today, and the topic will be for especially admission of brother or sister. Padma Sri is suppose admission in charge in one of the school. You are admission in charge in one of the school. Sana has a sister. Sana has a sister. She was reading out of Bihar somewhere as her parents were outside. So her brother was or sister was reading somewhere outside. But since parents got shifted from there to here, am I right? So in such case, brother or sister, they will decide. She will get admission in this school, means in your school,
Okay.
and you are the in charge of there. Your school is very good. Am I right? And you have to just get inquiry, either get admission on the spot, or you can get the inquiry and come next day for the admissions. That's okay, guys. Can we start? Yes, sir. Well, sir, would you like to clap for them? They are going to. Yeah, great. And I expect from all my students who are sitting there on the chairs, please, when they are speaking and we all are speaking from here, please be silent. Forget that recording is going on. You care about your sentences, especially the sentence they'll speak their own or I give them. In case they are doing what, especially some mistakes are there, I'll do the correction also. So learn this also. Well, fine. Sana, to get admission of your sister in her school, and your school, now you can start.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, coming.
I have come here from.
Now your sound is going down actually.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
My sound is.
Well,
I am coming here from inquiry.
for inquiry,
inquiry.
मैं यहाँ आ रही हूँ admission inquiry के लिए.
I am coming here from admission inquiry.
कभी now so मैं यहाँ inquiry admission के लिए inquiry के लिए आई हूँ या आ रही हूँ.
I said to.
Repeat again.
I am coming here for admission inquiry.
Okay. What type of inquiry you need?
Very good. Repeat.
I said.
Wait. Repeat.
Okay. What type of inquiry you need?
I said admission inquiry in
Okay. In which class?
8th class. 8th class.
No problem. We'll do 8th class.
8th class.
Okay.
Sound Padma Shri.
Okay.
आप हमारे यहाँ 8th क्लास में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. अभी एडमिशन चल रहा है.
You can take admission in 8th class in my school. Now admissions are open.
What is the process of admission?
You can fill a form.
मैं आपको एक फॉर्म देती हूँ, आप
I
भर
can
दें
give you a form and
You fill it.
You fill it
एंड मैं एडमिशन कर दूंगी.
and I
विल टेक.
will take admission.
लेकिन इससे पहले मैं जानना चाहती हूँ,
But
मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, मैं चाहती हूँ जानना. Speak no audience
but
have no
I
permission.
I want to know that
आपका जो भाई ना, बहन,
Sister.
सिस्टर, आपकी जो सिस्टर है 7th क्लास में कहाँ थी और कहाँ पढ़ रही थी?
but I want to know that
7th क्लास कहाँ से की आपकी सिस्टर?
your sister
has done
has done 7th class
from where?
From where?
अब इसको ठीक कीजिए. आपकी सिस्टर 7th क्लास कहाँ से की है? From where से स्टार्ट कीजिए.
From where your sister?
From where has your sister?
From where has your sister
completed 7th
class?
देखिए मैम, हम लोग एक्चुअली पटना में थे.
See, ma'am, we are living.
We were
living in Patna, not in
last year.
Last year. So,
और till last month.
till last month.
एंड अभी हमारे पापा का प्रमोशन मतलब ट्रांसफर हो गया पटना से दरभंगा.
And now my father
got
transfer in
from
Patna
Patna
to Darbhanga.
इसलिए
So
अब हम लोग यहाँ रहने जा रहे हैं.
we are living.
हम लोग यहाँ रहने जा रहे हैं. We are going
to living.
We are going to live here. Right? तो मेरी जो बहन है वो 7वां क्लास पटना से की है.
My sister has completed 7th class in
from Patna. Okay. कौन से स्कूल से?
In which school?
From which school?
From which school?
From
Don Bosco. नाम ले लेते हैं. डॉन बॉस्को, पटना डॉन बॉस्को से की है.
From Patna Don Bosco.
It's okay. तो
तो
लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने आपके सिस्टर वहाँ एग्जाम दी थी फाइनल ईयर का.
It's okay. Your sister.
क्या आपकी सिस्टर फाइनल ईयर का एग्जाम दी थी? बेहतरी केस. Had
your sister
appeared the final year
exam of
class 7. Great. Repeat again.
Had your sister appeared final year examination of class 7?
Very good. Yes,
ma'am.
तो आप मार्कशीट प्रोवाइड कर देंगे?
So can you provide marksheet
and transfer certificate?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of
जो
course,
भी
why not?
डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको चाहिए आपको मिल जाएंगे.
Do you want any?
तो जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए, which are the documents
you want?
आपको मिल
I'll
जाएगा.
give you.
I'll give you.
I'll give you.
या आपको मिल जाएगा. You will get it.
You will get it.
आप मुझे बता दीजिए कौन कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए.
You tell me which document.
Which are
which
the
are the
documents
documents
आपको जरूरत
you
है?
need.
Do you
Do
need?
you need?
Yeah, I need migration certificate and
Transfer
certificate and class 7th mark sheet.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
क्या कोई टेस्ट भी होगा मेरी बहन का?
To,
Will there be
any test
of my
of
sister?
my sister?
जी हाँ.
Yeah, there is a test.
There will be
there will be a entrance exam
टेस्ट.
test.
क्वेश्चन 7th क्लास से ही होगा.
Questions
Will be
from class 7th
only.
Okay.
No
No
problem.
problem.
तो अभी एडमिशन नहीं हो सकते हैं क्या?
Now.
Can you not get admission?
Can you get not admission?
Now.
Now.
आप एक बार अपने बहन को लेके और सारे पेपर को लेके कल आ जाइए. एक बार टेस्ट ले लेंगे और उसी वक्त मैं एडमिशन भी कर दूंगे.
You come with your sister
and
I will take admissions
there
tomorrow.
लेकिन सारे पेपर को आप लेकर आइएगा.
But all the papers are.
You will carry all the papers with you.
But you will carry all the papers with you.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Sound.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
आप ये बता दीजिए एडमिशन का चार्ज क्या लगेगा?
First, you tell me how much charge in admission.
Speak loudly.
First, you tell me how much charge.
How much will be the charge
in admission?
for admission?
For admission and monthly.
And how much will be monthly charge?
How much will be monthly charge?
There is an admission charge 3,000 and monthly 2,000.
कोई और भी चार्ज है या बस?
Anything?
Is there any
Is there
or
any
any
more-
other charge?
Any other charges or not?
Yes.
Yes,
डेवलपमेंट चार्ज लगेगा 25,000 रुपया.
yes, there is a development charge 25,000.
It's okay.
It's okay.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं सारे पेमेंट कल कर दूंगी.
No problem. Tomorrow I will
मेक ऑल द
make all
पेमेंट.
the payment.
कितने बजे हम लोग आ जाए?
At what time?
Do we come?
Do we come?
Do we come means you and plus your sister.
Yeah.
Repeat.
At what time do we come?
You will come at 10 a.m.
Repeat.
You will come. You will come at.
Come.
You will come at 10 a.m.
10 है.
Okay.
That's fine, no
That's
problem.
fine. No problem.
क्या मैं अब जा सकती हूँ?
Can I go now?
May I
May
go
I
now?
go now?
Yeah,
जी जरूर जा
yeah,
सकती
it's
है.
okay. You can go now.
लेकिन एक फॉर्म देती हूँ, ये लेकर जाए और भर कर
But
लेकर
I
आए.
will give you a form.
I give you.
I give you a form,
आप इसे लेकर जाए. Give me one notebook. आप इसे लेकर जाए और भर के लेकर आइए.
and
आप इसे लेकर जाए.
Sir, now online.
हाँ, you go. नहीं, ऑनलाइन नहीं, फॉर्म भी भरा जाता है.
No,
हाँ.
sir, no. Everything is online.
हाँ. So आप ये लेकर जाए और भर कर लेकर
so
आइए.
you take.
आप लेकर जाएं. You go.
So you go
Taking this.
taking this and
Fill it
fill it
and bring.
and bring.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
इसका चार्ज 2,000 रुपया है.
And it's charged
2,000
2,000 rupee.
Now I paid.
Yes.
Yeah.
अगर मैं एक साथ दूं कल तो
If I give you tomorrow,
then
then
no sorry मैम.
No, sorry.
ये 2,000 रुपये आपको अभी देना है.
No, sorry, ma'am.
उस्मान गए नहीं.
You will give 2,000 rupees.
आपको
now.
ये 2,000 अभी देना है. आपको ये 2,000 अभी देना. आपको देना है. You
Now-
have now
now you have
to give 2,000.
to give 2,000.
ठीक है.
okay.
ऑनलाइन ट्रांसफर मार दे क्या?
Online transfer.
May I transfer online? Sure.
So no problem.
Give the number.
Give the number. and
Yes,
code.
स्कैनर है. स्कैन कर लीजिए.
Yeah,
Sir,
there is a scanner.
There's a scan.
Sure.
Okay.
No, I
भेज दिया पैसा. चेक कर लीजिए.
check.
Okay,
मैंने
let me
पैसा
check.
भेज दिया.
I send.
I sent money. आप चेक कर लीजिए.
You check.
Okay, let me check.
बताइए. हाँ आ
Yeah.
गया. I got it.
I got it.
Okay.
आप इनको विश कर दीजिए. I wish you
I wish you a good day,
good day and कल हम लोग मिलते हैं.
and
We met.
we meet tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
आपसे मुझे अच्छा लगा मिलके. आपसे
Nice
मुझे
to
मिलके
meet you, ma'am.
Yeah,
same here.
yeah.
I also feel the same.
Yeah, I also feel the same.
Great.
Have a good day.
Great. Audience, don't go and wait. Audience, I'm talking to you who are watching this video. My dear, very simple is this. अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं तो सुनना पड़ेगा और बोलना पड़ेगा. बाकी ग्रामर और वर्ड मीनिंग इसे कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. That's what is smart to do. One more thing in the last. In case you have not subscribed, you are watching first time, please do it, like it, share it, and inform all your friends. Plus, I have started putting separate grammar videos. Try to understand. I teach you completely different way. In case you get any disconnections to understand, feel free to call me. I must make you understand. Till then, take care and goodbye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, can we all clap for them? Sit down.